What's going on, everybody? Oh yes, I got the brakes on the bike. Front and rear disc brakes, motorcycle disc brakes on top of that. No bullshit here. The rear lifts up in the air when I hit the front brakes. I know I don't have anything on the bike, but I'm trying to tell you that front brake locks, and that's very important. So anyways, I got everything set. Check that out. There we go. Got that bracket on there. Special weld. And the front. So it is all good, man. Your boy is about to be rolling. So stay tuned. Deuces.